The 2023 Husqvarna TX300 comfortably retains its place as the leading off-road 300cc two-stroke on the market today. Housed inside an all-new frame that offers improved handling, a new compact engine features an electronic exhaust control for enhanced power delivery in every gear. With the internal components positioned to further centralize rotating mass, the engine continues to play a vital role in the outstanding agility that the TX300 is known for. Expertly assembled with premium and essential off-road components as standard, the versatile machine benefits from exceptional build quality for guaranteed performance and reliability. Movement on the motorcycle is made easier for 2023 thanks to the all-new bodywork, which is finished with a Swedish-inspired color scheme for a truly distinctive look. Engine. The new generation TX300 engine is at the pinnacle of two-stroke performance. The TX300 receives significant updates with electronic fuel injection (EFI). The cylinder features a 72mm bore and an electronic exhaust control system. Dds Clutch. The TX300 features a Dds dampened diaphragm steel clutch. Frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2023 to reposition rotational masses inside the engine, which together with a new shock mounting position. Polyamide reinforced aluminium subframe. Made from 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium, the new two-piece subframe for 2023 ensures exceptional strength and durability. Wpx Act Front Suspension. The 48mm split-air Wpx Act forks now offer improved bottoming resistance. The WP forks are designed with a capsulated, adjustable air spring and pressurized oil chamber for smooth action and consistent damping. Swing arm. The new hollow die-cast aluminium swing arm is manufactured from a single piece of aluminium using an improved die-cast production process for optimal stiffness and a 190 grams weight reduction over previous versions. Wheels and tires. CNC machined hubs and high-strength alloy rims by DID are finished in striking black. Dunlop GEOM AXMX33 tire on the front and Dunlop GEOM AX8081 tire on the rear. Hydraulic brakes. The highest level of quality is guaranteed with class-leading Brembo calipers. 260mm front and a 220mm rear disc removing dirt efficiently. Protaper Handlebar. Developed between Husqvarna motorcycles and leading handlebar manufacturer Protaper, the exclusive bend offers superior comfort, class-leading strength, and fatigue resistance at the lowest possible weight. Start-stop switch. The new combined start-stop switch is located on the right side of the handlebar for easy, thumb-operated use. OD grips. OD lock-on grips feature an innovative integrated throttle mechanism and a glue-free installation. Bodywork. Clean, Swedish-inspired design and ergonomics are tailored to deliver exceptional comfort and control, enabling riders to perform at their best for extended periods of time. Adapted after countless hours of testing, the contact points have been repositioned for 2023 and together with a flatter seat profile, riders can move freely on the motorcycle for total control at all times.